Today we're just going to unbox and see what we get when we purchase the new Galaxy watch. So this one is the 42mm in all black, and I think it's going to look absolutely stunning, but let's open it up, check it out. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside. And then you can see there, stay connected. And this is it. And I think this looks really, really nice. This looks like a mini Frontier. But let's go ahead and just put this aside for now and check out what's inside the box. So we have two little slots here. And this is the charging cradle. USB. Now I kind of wish they would have put USB-C just to keep things USB-C, but that's okay. And then on this side you have your wall wart. You have a quick start guide, and then you also get the extra small strap. And take a look at the actual watch. So this is it, guys. This is really what it looks like. So not too bad. The plastic is pretty nice. You can see the heart rate sensor. They've changed it a little bit. Let's turn this on, see if we got any juice. So the strap feels a little bit better, definitely better than the one that came on the previous generation Gear Sport. And let's just take a look at two of these together. Definitely a more refined look, if you ask me. It looks definitely like a mini Frontier, really. This is the mini-me edition of the Frontier. Looking at the side on the buttons, you have these nice ridges on it. So it definitely helps for feeling. And again, this definitely looks like a mini Frontier, really. You have the speakers right on the left side. Not bad. Really a refined look when you compare it to the Gear Sport. Actually, the Gear Sport looks a little bit larger. They're about the same size. Just because of its design, it looks a little bit larger, the Gear Sport. This is a new watch face. I think it looks pretty cool. Definitely a nice watch face. Let's see if we get any others in. This one looks like it's a new watch face as well. Not a bad design. Here's a new one, rings. Running with Mike. That's your run together. That's not bad either. Definitely a cool one. So this has just been a first look and unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 42mm in all black. And again, I'm going to call this one the Mini Frontier. The band is pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think about this, and thanks for watching.